The new year, the new year, the new year. The new year is a time for fresh beginnings. Lunar New Year, Lunar New Year, Lunar New Year. Lunar New Year is the most important holiday in Vietnam. Before New Year's Eve, before New Year's Eve, before New Year's Eve. Many people clean their homes before New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve, New Year's Eve, New Year's Eve. Fireworks are often displayed on New Year's Eve. Lunar calendar, lunar calendar, lunar calendar. The lunar calendar is used to determine Tet dates. The first day of Tet, the first day of Tet, the first day of Tet. On the first day of Tet, families usually gather for a meal. The second day of Tet, the second day of Tet, the second day of Tet. Relatives visit each other on the second day of Tet. Father's Day on the 1st 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 of Tet is a time to honor fathers. Mother's Day on the 2nd day of Tet. Mother's Day on the 2nd day of Tet. Mother's Day on the 2nd day of Tet. Children give their mothers gifts on Mother's Day on the 2nd day of Tet. Teacher's Day on the 3rd day of Tet. Teacher's Day on the 3rd day of Tet. Teacher's Day on the 3rd day of Tet. Students visit their teachers on Teacher's Day on the 3rd day of Tet. The Kitchen God's Farewell Ceremony. The Kitchen God's Farewell Ceremony. The Kitchen God's Farewell Ceremony. The Kitchen God's Farewell Ceremony is held 1 week before Tet. Festival for Tending Graves. Festival for Tending Graves. Festival for Tending Graves. Families clean and decorate graves during the festival for tending graves. Pure Brightness Festival. Pure Brightness Festival. Pure Brightness Festival. The Pure Brightness Festival is a time to honor ancestors. Tomb sweeping day, tomb sweeping day, tomb sweeping day. Tomb sweeping day is observed in early spring. Peach blossom, peach blossom, peach blossom. Peach blossom is a popular decoration during Tet. Apricot blossom, apricot blossom, apricot blossom. Apricot blossoms symbolize good fortune in the south of Vietnam. Kumquat tree, kumquat tree, kumquat tree. Many families buy a kumquat tree for Tet. Marigold, marigold, marigold. Marigold flowers are believed to bring blessings. Paper white, paper white, paper white. Paper white flowers bloom beautifully during Teddy. Orchid, orchid, orchid. Orchids are often given as Tet gifts. Chrysanthemum, chrysanthemum, chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemums add a vibrant touch to Tet decorations. The New Year tree, the New Year tree, the New Year tree. The New Year tree is a symbolic part of Vietnamese Tet traditions. Gerbera, daisy. Gerbera, daisy. Gerbera, daisy. Gerbera daisies are often used to decorate during Tet. Carnation, carnation, carnation. Carnations are appreciated for their beauty during the New Year. Dahlia flower, dahlia flower, dahlia flower. Dahlia flowers bloom beautifully in gardens during the New Year. Tuberose, tuberose, tuberose. Tuberose flowers are used to decorate altars during Tet. Lily, lily, lily. Lilies symbolize purity. and are often displayed in homes during Tet. Chrysanthemum morifolium. Chrysanthemum morifolium. Chrysanthemum morifolium. Chrysanthemum morifolium is a favorite choice for Tet decorations. Lotus. 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 Lotus flowers are considered sacred and often appear in Tet decorations. Lucky bamboo, lucky bamboo, lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo is believed to bring prosperity in the new year. Confetti, bougainvillea. Confetti, bougainvillea. Confetti, bougainvillea. Bougainvillea adds a splash of color to Tet celebrations. Dendrobium cruminatum. Dendrobium cruminatum. Dendrobium cruminatum. Dendrobium cruminatum blooms bring a delicate beauty to Tet. Chung cake, chung cake, chung cake. Chung cake is an essential dish during the Lunar New Year in Vietnam. Steamed sticky rice. Steamed sticky rice. Steamed sticky rice. Steamed sticky rice is served as a traditional dish during Tet. Green bean sticky rice, green bean sticky rice, green bean sticky rice. Green bean sticky rice is a favorite dish on special occasions. Vietnamese sausage. Vietnamese sausage. Vietnamese sausage. Vietnamese sausage is a must-have on Tet's food tray.